y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl T checking in. In today's video, we are going to make one pot meal, baby. So we are going to be making chicken and rice and shrimp. Okay, you guys. So if you are new here, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get straight into the video.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. On mission, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I got you been drowned in mountains and seas. Almost scriptures dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. This you know that I said it right. We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. Good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's a fight.
Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. You're so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight it, let your light gon' shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Could see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Lord,
peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love that flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. Here in my house, the ways of your past don't define you. Formed from the dust of this earth,